What does a software engineer do in the games industry? We talked to Steve McGreal to find out. He's great. Steve, you work at Unity. What is your role there? And what is a typical day for you?
I am a senior software engineer. I help Unity customers. I help game developers who use Unity. I generally work with specific customers, essentially companies that are rich and successful enough to have bought support contracts with us. And so one of the things that they get when they buy these extra contracts is me. What I do is I'll work with a particular company, and they might be making like a AAA game, like a big budget thing, and they're really wanting to push the game engine from a technical point of view. They might need features of the engine that don't exist yet. It would be my job to go and build that feature for them, for their project, so that they can make the game they want to make using Unity. But then maybe later on, try to find a way to take that thing that I built and hopefully bring that back into the main Unity game engine so that it later becomes available to everybody. My main focus is helping these specific customers, but my wider goal is to help as many customers as possible. So I also spend some time writing best practice guides and these ebooks that we do, giving talks and things like that to try to share all the knowledge that I've accumulated in my head about Unity and about how to make games run well with as many people as I can.
What would be the best place to learn Unity?
The manual is pretty great. You can just find that online. There is a place called learn.unity.com, which has got lots of tutorials and projects that you can mess about with and videos that you can watch to learn how to do stuff. We've got some good forums where you can go and ask questions from other people that are using Unity and help you if you get stuck there. There's loads of stuff on YouTube. So I think those are all pretty good places. I think some of it depends on figuring out what is the best way to learn for you. Does it work better if you watch videos? Does it work better if you just get hands-on with something and get stuck in?
So, basically it depends how you like to do stuff.
Yeah, who you are and what you're interested in learning and how you best learn things.
So there you have it. There's a billion ways to learn to make games in Unity. Don't you think you exaggerate? Okay, just a little. Click here if you want to hear about Steve's best and worst experiences as a programmer.